Everyone, welcome back. We are continuing Java collections. So I'm going to start some other things like something that's related to the collection framework. So in our previous video we just went through some of the collection frameworks, and thereafter we went listed iterator and other kind of things. Right now we are going with queue. Actually, we all know that what is the purpose of a queue is the concept where we will add something into the data structure and first in first out, right? So whoever enter into that queue, we actually need, whenever we are retaining some value, the first one need to be first out. So that's the concept of queue. So in queue we have so many data structures available. So queue actually an interface in Java. So under that interface we have some implemented classes like LinkedList PriorityQueue. So that are the two classes that comes under queue interface. So here I am going to create a new util. So collection util probably, but still now we already discussed so many collection utils, map utils, and other kind of things. So basically this is not a good time to create a collection util for us because we already covered so many collections. So we are in almost middle of our development. I mean, we have only few things to develop right now. To create the tutorials right now, we already discussed hash map, hash table, list, and other kind of things. So right now, anyway, we are going to create a queue, and we can see how the queue looks like. And here queue, then under queue we are going to create new list. So this is the first implementation, and we have some other implementation also. So how we can search who implement this queue, right? So that's the question, how we can see who implement this one. So set queue, it is array queue, blocking queue, check queue, concurrent link queue. So all the things delay queue. So if you are array queue, this implement queue dq actually. So dq is another implementation of queue. So it's so many data structures that use queue as an interface, but in our case we are basically concerned about the linked list, and also another one that's actually priority queue. That's the two things we are going to discuss. And priority queue, let me check whether there is any queue implementation. Queue implementations in Java. So that's a way we can see queue implementation. So we are here nqdqp. Okay, so that's the operations. So queue implementations in Java. So queue interface using the linked list. Okay, this is not queue interface implementations in Java. So sometimes we are searching something, we will not get what we need, right? That's a scenario that's happened sometimes, right? So everywhere is mentioning priority queue and linked is. Other than that, I'm not seeing anything else. So queue implementation, queue interface implementation, I guess that's the only two concrete classes that's available based on our search. ArrayQueue, LinkedList PriorityQueue. Okay, here we can see something else also. ArrayQueue, LinkedList PriorityQueue. They are interface that extends. So these are the interfaces, queue, DQ, other things. Since the queue is an interface, we cannot provide. So here they are saying like ArrayQueue, LinkedList priority. So I guess that's only three things that's available. But right now we are going to discuss about these two things. Okay, we will continue in our next video the remaining things. Right now we are just we are giving just introduction of English and queue interface. So what is the difference between priority queue and linked list? So that's the thing we need to learn. Java queue example, okay. So next things we need to discuss priority queue against linked list. Okay, so just close what I covered in my previous search. So I just close that question. I guess probably I will open again, then probably we'll get an idea. Java linked list class of Java can provide functionality of the previous source and address for the previous one next. Okay, so we will go through the implementation on next video. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.